Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to add link to image in Wix. To start this tutorial, make sure you're on the website editor.wix.com on your internet browser. Make sure your account is logged in as well. When you're here on Wix, scroll down this time. Make sure you are in your website. In your website, hover over the image that you want to add a link to. Click on the icon that says link. In here, you can have the option on adding what link you want to use or add in the image in your website. This could be a page, a web address, a section or anchor, or anything that's been added into the options. Once you finally choose one, go ahead and paste the link that you are going to be adding into that image. How does it open? It's up to you. It could be a new window or a current window. You can also add in advanced settings. In here, on the drop down, there are lots of options as well. So it's all up to you as to what you want to use. Once done, all you have to do is click on the button that says done. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. While you're at it, you can also leave a comment.